So question number 7 says, without actually calculating, find the values of these two parts. So let's just talk about the very first part. But before that, we do know about an algebraic identity. So let us suppose I am talking about the algebraic identity, which was x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus of xy minus of yz minus of zx. We do know about this algebraic identity. So there is a result which is related with this algebraic identity. What is that result? It says that if x plus y plus z is nothing but is equal to 0, if x plus y plus z is nothing but is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is nothing but is equal to 3xyz. So this is nothing but the result which is related with this algebraic identity. So always remember this result, that whenever we do have such a condition that if x plus y plus z is nothing but is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is always is equal to 3xyz. So this is a very special result. So let us suppose I am writing it as a result over here, and it is a very special result. I am marking it as a star because it is a special result which says whenever x plus y plus z is nothing but is equal to 0, then this value x cube plus y cube plus z cube is definitely is equal to 3xyz. And we can also see, as we know that in this particular algebraic identity, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, it means if this term is equal to 0, so 0 into this is obviously 0, and hence LHS will be equal to 0. So we have shifted 3xyz, or we have transposed 3xyz on towards the right hand side. So this can be written in this particular formation at the end. So we are using this result in order to solve the part 1 and part 2. So let's just start with the very first part. We do have minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus of 5 cube. So let's just satisfy the very first condition. It says if x plus y plus z is 0, then this condition will hold, else not. So let us suppose we are checking if whether x plus y plus z is equal to 0 or not. So x is minus 12 over here, y is 7 and z is 5. Let's just add all these values, x plus y plus of z. So it is minus of 12 plus of 7 plus of 5. Obviously this is nothing but is equal to 0. So hence it is satisfying the very first condition. So if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then it says x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to this term. So it means that minus 12 whole cube plus of 7 whole cube plus of 5 whole cube is nothing but is equal to 3 x, y, z. What is x? X is nothing but minus of 12, y is nothing but 7, and z is nothing but 5. So we are using the result that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is nothing but is equal to 3xyz, and at the end when we will multiply all these terms all together, we will get the answer as minus 1260. So without actually calculating, we have deducted the answer using this particular result, that whenever x plus y plus z is equal to 0, this value should always be equal to 3xyz. Now using again this result, we are solving the second part. The second part is 28x cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. So it means that if we'll compare, x is nothing but 28 over here, y is minus of 15, and z is nothing but minus of 13. Now let's just add up all these values, x plus y plus z. It is 28 minus 15 minus 13. Obviously it is 28 minus 28, which is equal to 0. Again it is satisfying the very first condition. It means that 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube is nothing but is equal to 3xyz. X is nothing but 28, y is nothing but minus 15, and z is nothing but minus of 13. Now let's just multiply all these terms all together. We will get the answer as 26380 after multiplying all these terms, which is nothing but our answer. So hence we can find the values, or we can deduct the answers of such kind of the terms or such kind of the expressions using this particular result as this. So it is so let if this is not 26, this is 16380. So the answer that we are getting after the multiplication is, it is nothing but 16380. So this is our answer. So this is all about calculating such kind of the expression using this result. So I hope all the steps are all clear to you, that how we have used this result. So let's just see the second part. The second part is, let us suppose we can rewrite the second part as we have 28 whole cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus of 13 whole cube. So it means that the value of x over here is nothing but 28, y is nothing but minus of 15, z is nothing but minus of 13. So let's just check whether x plus y plus z is equal to 0 or not. So it is 28 minus of 15 minus of 13. Obviously it is 28 minus of 28, which is nothing but is equal to 0. So it means that 28 whole cube plus of minus 15 whole cube plus of minus of 13 whole cube is nothing but is equal to 3 into 28 into minus of 15 into minus of 13, that is 3xyz. Now let's just multiply all these terms all together in order to get the answer. So after multiplying it, we will get the answer as 16380, that is 16,380. So this is nothing but our answer. So I hope the result is all clear to you, that we have used in order to solve such type of the problems.